Venn offers a private asset lab because it's really core to how Venn began in spirit. So when you think about what Venn does, it tries to look past what's on the surface and instead look under to the fundamental drivers of risk and return across a portfolio. Now, as private assets started to grow, there was more client demand for private asset analytics. So that was really why we created the private asset lab, to kind of continue with what we were doing with Venn already, taking those opaque investments, looking below the surface and giving you a better sense of what the true drivers of risk and return are, but now needing to do it with private and public assets side by side. So just a quick example, in our private asset lab, we have desmoothing, which can mark private assets to the market so you can look at them alongside public assets. We have things like public market equivalence. So you can take that private asset and do a fair apples to apples comparison with a public benchmark like the S&P 500. We also have cash flow modeling. So you can not only estimate private asset cash flows out into the future, but you can also say, what might that look like if I had a public liquidity sleeve at the same time to meet those capital calls from a private asset? And you can actually model that in our private asset lab.